Today I'm going to be talking about some of the visual similarities between PREs and Andalusian. Here I am with my wonderful PRE, Rondeño. He's such a ham. He loves to photobomb, but I've got him tied up today. So some of the similarities are the Baroque beauty, the thick manes and tails, elevated movement, compact muscular builds, intelligent and kind temperaments. Today, there's kind of a modern confusion. In the United States and parts of Latin America, many people casually call, say, Andalusians, even when referring to registered PRE horses. Serious breeders usually specify PRE because it indicates verifiable pedigree and official stallion. So hope I was able to clarify the difference between a PRE and an Andalusian. Look for other posts on the subject.